Oh, here's another what the fuck moment. Like, did I really just shit in a public place? That's not the problem. But took a picture and uploaded it to Facebook and Twitter. Like, oh my god, my dumb ass is really on another fucking level in life. But I don't even give a fuck because you bitches shit too. Don't act like you ain't have to go so bad that you ain't have to wrap the toilet up and take the dump like I did. It's life, it's fucking normal. I did it. The good thing was wasn't nobody in the fucking bathroom, so nobody couldn't tell me my shit stunk or something like that. And it was only like 2 turds. I dropped 2 to hold me until I get home, so it is what it is. You got a fucking problem with it, that's your fucking problem. You the one that's gonna be backed up with all kind of colon cancers and got to get colonoscopies and all that shit. Get the fuck out of here. I'm fucking human. I don't care. I shit, I dump. I got that dump. That's what I got. Bitch, bend over. Let me bend over. I don't give a fuck. Fuck around with you niggas trying to be fucking pretty, bitch. Y'all know y'all took that little 1-2 dump a few and then wait till you get back home. Holla at me, man. It's showtime. Fuck.